guys, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw crypto from Metamask to Binance or other exchange or wallet, because it's pretty similar, right? So first, what you need to do here is you need to go where you want to transfer your cryptocurrency. So in this example is Binance, and then go on wallet, fiat and spot, and then decide what crypto you want to transfer. So it will be Ethereum, for example, and then press not withdraw but deposit, right? And make sure you are on RC20 network and copy the wallet address, and then go on Metamask. Make sure if you're transferring Ethereum, you are on Ethereum mainnet, or if you're transferring, for example, Binance coin, you are on the smart chain network. So I'm on Ethereum, then press send, copy the wallet address here, and select the transaction fee depending on how much do you want to wait, and put the amount here, and basically transfer Ethereum on Binance, right? So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.